Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. All right, let's start today's conversation. Hey, Dave, are you free today?
Yes, I'm free. Why?
Cindy, I need to go to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me?
Of course. I love supermarkets.
Really? Why do you love supermarkets so much?
Because I like snacks. Lots of snacks.
That sounds like you.
Also, supermarkets are fun. There's so many things to see.
That's true. I need to buy vegetables and milk.
And I need to buy snacks.
Of course you do. Do you usually go shopping every week?
Yes, I go once a week.
Do you make a shopping list?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Okay, rarely.
That's why you forget things.
Yes, last time I forgot to buy eggs.
Oh no, eggs are important.
Yes, I wanted to make breakfast, but no eggs.
That's a disaster.
Yes, a breakfast disaster.
All right, let's go inside the supermarket.
Wow, it's very big.
Yes, this supermarket is huge.
Where should we go first?
Let's start with vegetables.
Vegetables? That's boring.
Vegetables are healthy.
Snacks are happy.
Healthy first, happy later. Look at these tomatoes. They look fresh.
Yes, they look very red.
Should I buy these tomatoes?
Yes, they look good.
How many tomatoes should I buy?
Maybe 4.
Okay, 4 tomatoes.
Wait, buy 5.
Why 5?
Because I like tomatoes too.
You're funny.
Oh, look, bananas.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I eat bananas every morning.
That's a good habit.
Yes, bananas are easy to eat.
How many bananas do you want?
Maybe 6.
6 bananas? That's a lot.
I get hungry easily.
Okay, now let's get milk.
There are so many types of milk.
Yes, it's confusing sometimes.
Which one do you usually buy?
I usually buy low-fat milk.
Low-fat milk? Is it healthy?
Yes, it's lighter.
I like chocolate milk.
Of course you do.
Chocolate milk makes me happy. Oh, wow, look at this section.
What section?
The snack section.
I knew you would find it.
Look at these chips.
Do you really need chips?
Yes, very important.
Important snacks?
Yes, emergency snacks.
Emergency snacks? Really?
Yes, for emergency hunger.
That's funny. All right, Dave, we have vegetables and milk now. What do we need next?
I think fruits.
Yes, good idea. Let's go to the fruit section.
Wow, look at all these fruits.
Yes, they look very fresh.
Oh, look, apples.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples. They are sweet and crunchy.
How many apples should we buy?
Maybe 5 apples.
5 apples? That's good.
Wait, make it 6.
Why 6?
Because I always eat more than I plan.
That's very honest. Look at these oranges. They look juicy.
Yes, they look delicious.
Do you drink orange juice?
Yes, every morning.
That's healthy.
Yes, but I don't like cutting oranges.
That's lazy.
Yes, very lazy. Oh, wow, look at these strawberries.
They look beautiful.
Yes, but strawberries are usually expensive.
Let's check the price.
Okay, where is the price tag?
Right here.
Wait, what?
What happened?
These strawberries are very expensive.
Really? How much?
Wow, that's too much money.
Maybe we should not buy strawberries today.
Yes, my wallet is already scared.
Your wallet is scared?
Yes, it wants to run away.
Okay, Dave, let's continue shopping.
Wait, I want grapes.
Do you like grapes?
Yes, I like green grapes.
All right, let's take one bag.
Should we wash them later?
Yes, always wash fruits.
Good idea. Oh, look, chocolate.
Dave, that's not fruit.
I know.
You're already looking at snacks again.
Snacks are calling my name.
Snacks are calling you?
Yes, they are saying, Dave, buy me, buy me.
That's hilarious. Okay, let's check our shopping list.
Wait, shopping list?
Yes, did you forget again?
Oh no, I forgot my shopping list at home.
That's very typical.
Yes, I always forget something.
Don't worry, we can remember together.
Yes, teamwork.
All right, Dave, I think we have everything now.
Yes, my basket is very full.
Haha, mostly snacks, right?
Maybe. Just a few snacks.
I see chips, cookies, and chocolate.
Okay, maybe many snacks.
That's honest. Let's go to the cashier.
Wow, the line is long.
Yes, many people are shopping today.
I hope it moves fast.
Yes, me too.
Look at that little kid.
What about him?
He's asking his mother for candy.
That's normal.
Yes, I was like that when I was young.
Really?
Yes, I cried if I didn't get candy.
That's funny. Okay, it's our turn now.
All right, let's put everything on the counter.
Careful with the eggs.
Oh no, almost dropped them.
That was close.
Yes, that would be a big mess. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, and maybe too many snacks.
Snacks are popular. Wow, that's a lot of items.
Yes, our basket was heavy.
Let's see the total price.
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Why nervous?
Because snacks are expensive.
That's true.
Cashier, your total is $45. Oh, wow, that's more than I expected.
Snacks again.
Yes, snacks are dangerous.
All right, Dave, you can pay.
Yes, let me get my wallet.
Okay. What happened?
Oh no,
What?
I can't find my wallet.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm serious.
Check your pockets.
Okay, pocket 1, nothing.
Try the other pocket.
Pocket 2, nothing.
Oh no, that's bad.
Yes, very bad.
Did you leave it at home?
Maybe.
Classic Dave.
Wait. Wait.
Did you find it?
Yes, it was in my bag.
You scared me.
Sorry.
That was stressful.
Yes, very stressful. Okay, now I will pay.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Please tap your card.
Okay. Done.
Payment successful. Great.
My snacks are safe.
Yes, your snacks survived. Here are your bags. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. You too.
Bye.
All right, Dave. Let's take the bags.
Wow, these bags are heavy.
That's because of your snacks.
No, it's because of your vegetables.
Don't blame my vegetables.
Okay, maybe it's both.
Yes, teamwork shopping.
Teamwork carrying, too.
Can you carry that big bag?
Yes, but it's very heavy.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it.
Be careful.
Yes, I'm walking slowly. Oh, wow, my arms are tired.
That's exercise.
Supermarket gym.
Yes, free exercise.
Next time, I will buy fewer snacks.
Really?
Maybe not.
I knew it.
Wait, my bag feels strange.
What happened?
I think something is moving.
Moving? That's scary.
Just kidding.
Don't scare me.
I just wanted to see your reaction.
Very funny, Dave.
Yes, supermarket jokes.
Be careful, don't drop the eggs.
Oh no, I almost forgot the eggs.
Yes, hold them carefully.
Okay, eggs are safe.
Good.
Last time, I dropped eggs at home.
Really?
Yes, the kitchen was a disaster.
That sounds messy.
Yes, egg everywhere.
That's funny. So, Dave, did you enjoy shopping today?
Yes, very much.
What was your favorite part?
The snack section.
Of course.
And the funny wallet moment.
That was scary.
Yes, I thought I lost my wallet.
Me too.
Next time, I will check my wallet first.
That's a good idea.
And maybe make a shopping list.
Yes, finally.
But I will still buy snacks.
I expected that. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.